Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC B1240 indicates a potential issue with the mode control motor circuit, linkage, door or motor itself in the Honda CR-V 2017 to 2022 models. The mode control motor is responsible for regulating airflow within the climate control system, directing air to various vents based on the driver's chosen settings. This component works in conjunction with the climate control unit, which houses the controls for the air conditioning and heating functionalities. If the system detects an irregularity in the operation of the mode control motor, it triggers the DTC B1240. The location of the mode control motor is generally within the dashboard assembly, making access a bit complex due to its positioning. Proper functioning of this circuit is vital for maintaining passenger comfort, as it directly influences air distribution and flow inside the vehicle. DTC B1240 signifies an issue within the mode control motor circuit, which may include problems with the linkage or the motor itself. The mode control motor is a critical component that directs the climate-controlled air to various parts of the interior. This motor operates in conjunction with a series of linkages and doors that must move freely for optimal operation. If there's a malfunction in any part of this assembly, air may not flow as intended, resulting in inconsistent temperatures and comfort levels for passengers. This error code can be verified through the climate control panel, displaying various identifiers like BB3 or 4B, indicating specific issues based on the type of climate control used in the vehicle. Therefore, an understanding of these components and their mechanics is essential for effective troubleshooting. There are several potential causes for DTC B1240 that need to be examined during diagnostics. One common issue may be a faulty mode control motor, which can malfunction and fail to respond appropriately to inputs from the climate control unit. Additionally, broken or disconnected wires within the circuit could interrupt the signal flow necessary for proper operation. Furthermore, problems within the climate control unit itself could also prevent the mode control motor from performing as required. Each of these scenarios could lead to a loss of functionality in the mode control system, thus necessitating a comprehensive inspection of electrical connections, continuity, and component condition to efficiently resolve the issue. When experiencing DTC B1240, drivers may notice several symptoms that indicate underlying problems with the mode control motor circuit. One of the most prominent issues is inconsistent airflow temperature, where passengers may feel warm air in a setting meant for cool air, and vice versa. Additionally, the air distribution doors could become stuck, effectively creating a situation where air is not directed where it's needed, leading to discomfort. The climate controls on the dashboard may also become unresponsive or exhibit erratic behavior. If the climate control panel displays error codes like BB3 or 4B, these also signal relevant issues that require immediate attention and troubleshooting. Thus, being aware of these symptoms is essential for early diagnosis and subsequent repair. The initial troubleshooting step involves clearing the Diagnostic Trouble Codes, DTCs, using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. This is a crucial first step as it resets the system and allows for a fresh diagnosis. After clearing the codes, switch the vehicle to the off/lock mode and then back to the on mode. This simple action can sometimes rectify minor glitches. Following this, it's important to run the self-diagnostic function, either through the HDS or via the climate control unit controls. This function will check for DTCs again, allowing a new set of data that can provide better insight into the status of the mode control motor circuit. If DTC B1240 is still present, further inspection is required, For the second troubleshooting step, start by turning off the vehicle and putting it in the lock mode. This is crucial for safety during electrical inspections. Next, disconnect the climate control unit connector B, which is a 24-pin connector, and the mode control motor's 5-pin connector. With these connectors disconnected, check for continuity between designated test points. Test point 1 is located on the climate control unit connector, B, at pin number 20, while test point 2 is on the mode control motor connector at the female terminal number 5. Continuity testing is essential to ensure that there are no open wires in the MDEF line. If continuity exists, the wire is intact, and you should proceed to the next step. Continuing to the third troubleshooting step, maintain the vehicle in the off-lock mode while keeping the previous connectors disconnected. Again, perform continuity checks, but this time between different test points. Test point 1 is located on climate control unit connector B at pin number 19, and test point 2 is at the mode control motor connector, female terminal number 4. This step verifies the integrity of the M vent wire, which is critical for the operation of the mode control system. If continuity is confirmed, it indicates that the wire is not open and functions as intended. If no continuity is detected, however, an open circuit exists, and repairs must be conducted on the M vent wire. The fourth step involves checking for any potential short circuits in the MDEF wire. While the vehicle remains in the off-lock mode and the connectors are still disconnected, check continuity between the designated test points. In this case, test point 1 is the same as in earlier steps, located at climate control unit connector B, pin number 20, while test point 2 is to be connected to body ground. If continuity is found, this confirms a short to ground in the MDEF wire, indicating a critical issue that requires immediate repair. If continuity does not exist, the MDEF wire is deemed okay, and we can proceed to the next step in the troubleshooting process. Proceeding to the fifth step, you will check for shorts in the M vent wire, similar to the previous step. Ensure the vehicle is still in the off-lock mode, with the connectors disconnected. Continuity should be tested between the climate control unit connector B, pin number 19, and body ground. If continuity is confirmed, it points to a short to ground situation in the M vent wire. Prompt action is required to repair this wire to restore normal function. However, if no continuity is present, it suggests that the M vent wire is intact, allowing you to advance to the final troubleshooting step concerning the mode control motor's functionality. The final troubleshooting step involves testing the mode control motor itself. If the motor passes the initial checks, then it's essential to confirm its operational status. If the mode control motor is found to be functioning correctly, replacement of the climate control unit may be necessary, as this could be the root cause of the recurring DTC. Conversely, if the motor fails the test, immediate replacement of the mode control motor is required, along with an examination of the linkage or door to ensure they are not obstructed or damaged. This thorough evaluation ensures all components involved in the mode control system are functioning optimally, thus preventing the recurrence of the DTC B1240 issue. After completing all necessary repairs, it is critical to verify everything is functioning correctly. Start by clearing the DTCs again using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. Following this, conduct a thorough check of the mode control operation, ensuring that the air distribution functions properly and that temperatures are consistent as indicated by the driver's settings. It's also essential to perform a test drive or manual check of the climate control system to ensure all repairs have successfully mitigated the original issue. Monitoring any signs of error codes reappearing will help in assessing if the problem has been completely resolved. This step is fundamental for confirming the effectiveness of the repair made on the mode control motor circuit. To prevent future occurrences of DTC B1240, it's important to implement a rigorous preventive maintenance schedule. Regular inspections of the wiring associated with the mode control motor circuit can help in identifying any wear and tear before they escalate into larger issues. Furthermore, maintaining the climate control system through periodic checks ensures all components remain clean and functional, contributing to the reliable performance of the air distribution system. Keeping an eye on the operation of the climate controls and attending to any unusual behavior promptly can also mitigate problems. This proactive approach will enhance the lifespan and efficiency of the climate control system in your Honda CR-V. In conclusion, DTC B1240 indicates a significant fault concerning the mode control motor circuit, affecting the overall climate control functionality of the Honda CR-V models from 2017 to 2022. A thorough understanding of the system and methodical troubleshooting process outlined here enables clear identification and resolution of the issue. By examining key components such as the mode control motor, wiring, and the climate control unit, successful repairs can be achieved. Furthermore, engaging in preventative measures can significantly reduce the likelihood of future errors. By staying proactive regarding maintenance and checks, drivers can ensure a comfortable driving experience while effectively managing climate conditions within the vehicle. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!